In case you're wondering how to make this flare sleeve without having excess fabric hanging on the other side and have it just as perfect as this one, then we got you. Take it healthy. Talk all day and night falling deep. So guys, this is the fabric that we'll be working on. I went ahead to take measurement of this fabric and it's 19 by 19 inches for the width and for the length. So I'm going to fold it into two. Then after folding it into two, I'll again fold it into two to make the fold 4 of them, if that makes sense. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the center of our fabric, as you can see. And this is what the other side looks like. After folding yours, this is what you're supposed to have. So from this center of the fabric, I'm going to mark about 9 inches to this side. Then after marking the 9 inches, I'm going to leave my tape measure at the center or at the corner of this fabric. Then I'm going to mark 9 inches all around till I get to this point. Afterwards, I'm going to connect the dots to form a smooth curve. And this is what you should have after you're done. Then I'm going to use my scissors to cut along this smooth curve that we've just drawn. After cutting your fabric, this is what you're supposed to have. You're supposed to have your fabric looking like a circle, a full circle, and this is what you should have. So the next thing that you're going to do is to find the midpoint of this circle. So to do so, I'm going to measure from one end to the other, just like you see me doing. Then I'm going, with the help of my tape measure, I'm going to find the midpoint of this by folding it into 2 equal halves. Then I'll mark. Then I'll also do the same for the other side. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to draw straight lines from one end to another, making sure they pass through the points that I marked earlier. So guys, at the point at which the two lines intersect automatically becomes our midpoint. So the next thing we're going to do is to take our armhole measurements, and to do so, if you already made your top, you're going to measure around your armhole. Then whatever you get, you're going to divide it by 6 inches. Then afterwards, you're going to measure from the midpoint. Just look closely and see what I'm doing. So you'll mark your point here, and this is now our new midpoint, because we're going to draw another small circle from here. So you're going to use the same measurement to make points all round and form our new small circle. We're also going to connect the dots to form a very smooth circle, as you can see me doing. Now that we're done, we're going to cut through this line and we'll cut along the small circle. So guys, this is what we have after cutting our sleeve, and the longer side is going to be attached on our shoulder while the shorter side is going to go around our armpit. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.